Hi everyone, welcome to Melissa's Home Cooking. Today I'm going to show you a very easy meal that will feed 8 people for under $10. We're making Jalousie Mediterranean. So we have here in front of us the 2 small onions chopped, 4 cloves garlic minced, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of parsley minced. We have 1 can of tomato paste, 2 cans of chopped tomato, salt and pepper to taste, a teaspoon of sugar, and 1 egg for glazing the jalousie on top, and of course we have the flaky puff pastry sheet, 1 kilo of them or 6 ready roll sheets. So let's get started. So we're gonna cook the jalousie sauce. So to start with, heat up your pan on medium high. I'm gonna add in 2 tablespoons of oil, whichever cooking oil you use at home. I use coconut oil in my home. So I'm just gonna heat it up. So now, once it's heated up, we're going to add in the onions and the garlic. We're going to stir until the garlic and onion are soft. Now it's slightly brown and the onion and garlic are soft. We're going to add in the chopped tomatoes. And the tomato paste. And stir all and mix well. Just gonna let it simmer for 3 to 5 minutes until it's thickened a bit. Just gonna add about less than a quarter cup of water and 8 cup of water, and just gonna let it simmer, boil and simmer. And now we're gonna add in the parsley. Stir them in. After you add in the parsley, just add in a bit of 1 teaspoon of sugar. And just let it boil. Now we're just going to taste and see if we need any more seasoning. Add in a bit of pepper. And about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Just let it boil and thicken a little bit. And we're just gonna taste and see whether we need to add anything extra to the sauce. It's just nice. We don't need anything else, because remember we're gonna add cheese as well. That will add more flavoring to the fillings. So it's now all thickening up. It's boiled. So we're going to leave it aside to cool down for about half an hour before we put the filling on the pastry. So now we're going to add in the pastry. Make sure you thaw the pastry. It takes about 20 minutes to have it thawed. The frozen pastry, put that, and then put the filling, the jalousie filling on top. And we're just gonna add grated cheese on top. And then I'm gonna put another pastry on top. And using a fork, we're just gonna seal the pastry together. All around the edges. And just sealing it. Okay? And then using a knife, we're just gonna cut. Not all the way through. Just on the top of the pastry. Do the same again for the rest of the pastry. So there's 6 pieces. Make sure you heat up your oven at fan bake for 200 degrees Celsius while we assemble the jalousie. Just put the other one on top. Very simple, easy dinner, and very cheap dinner. So just seal the edges again. Just cut just the top of the pastry, not right through. Okay, so now that's done. So now the oven is preheated to 200 degrees Celsius fan bake. We're just gonna beat 1 egg and just gonna glaze the egg on top. Here's our Jalousie Mediterranean all baked. It's crispy and nice, cheesy, the filling, and it's really budgeted meal to feed 8 people under $10. And with a garden salad, you can refer to my previous video. Hope you enjoyed today's cooking. Don't forget to like and to subscribe, and look forward to see you next time.